Now I am a base manager of Shoiniki School, Punggol, Nagaland. My school is located beautiful place. And first of all, I would like to thank Amul as well as my principal, Group Captain Proshun Basu, and my dear staffs to provide me a such opportunity during COVID-19. I will show one simple recipe that is name is creamy fruit delight. It is very easy to make, tasty, healthy and nutritious. I will take 3 steps to making this recipe. First steps, I will go for this making sauce. This is Amul fresh cream based sauce. This is so tasty and healthy also. Now I will take one clean bowl. Now I will take 500 ml Amul fresh milk.
What's the menu?
Huh?
What the menu?
The menu name is creamy fruit delight. Now I will add 100 ml of Amul milk. Next I will add Amul Mithai Made 100 ml again. I will add some seasoning, little bit of salt and pepper. You can add chaat masala also, 1/4 teaspoon. If you whisk like this way, it may be manual or it may be electrical. Keep on continue stirring quite some time. And you should taste it when it comes creamy and off-white color. Now I will go for tasting. Like this way. If you feel it is creamy and off-white color, then you should understand that cream part is done. Now I also this cream is completed for second step. I will clean it up this side part. Now I will keep it for 5 to 10 minutes inside the refrigerator. In between that time, I will go for cutting fruits. I took 7 to 8 types of fresh fruits. Those are available nearby me. I will go for this first, this sweet lime. I will trim both sides. I will go like this way. When you are cutting this lime, you should concentrate to your knife and finger also. Otherwise, I will take two pieces of this fruit. sweet lime. To take one more piece. Sweet lime is very tasty, healthy, especially this summer period. Now summer is knocking our doors, and sweet lime, mangoes, bananas, all are available across the country. But I will suggest to my viewers, if you don't have these types of fruits, you don't no need to use it. Just you suggest to seasonal and local fruits. That will be very good for your health and taste also. Now I'll go for cutting. You go for this simply inside, and again I'll go for these two pieces, and knife will go through here to become all sheet comes out. This is the process to trimming the sheets and extra unwanted part. I'll go for cutting Meshadua. It is 1/2 centimeter. This is called Carinali drum, but you can say it is big dices. Or more pieces I have. I will cut it also same way. I trim all this unwanted part and this seed also like this way. I'll go for same way to cutting this sweet lime.
Again question, what the name of recipe?
It is creamy fruit delight. This is very good for this summer time. Now my sweet lime is cut down, and I will keep all these fruits inside a clean bowl. Just I am cleaning up my chopping board. And I will throw this thing inside the dustbin. Now I will go for apples. It is red apple, and it is low fat and high percentage of fiber. It is also same way you will cut whatever I have shown before to sweet lime. Your knife will go from this way to trimming seeds and unwanted parts. Same way I will go for these big dices 1 by 2 centimeter. I will take one more apples. I will just trim it up for side part. For garnishing. It is called brunoise. It is fine dices. It looks like a green pea. Have you seen this part? And this is for this and this is for this garnishing. Keep on clean wall for my garnishing part. Now already this is done for red cherry. There is very small pieces, so no need for cutting. Now I'll go for black grapes to cut 1 by 2. This is also ready for creamy fruit delight. I will take to cut one more round. It will be go for again for garnishing. This green grapes also very small. I hope so. It is no need for again cutting. This pomegranate also before the limes I will peel it out, and all this is ready for this second step. I will take 2 bananas. First of all, I trim both sides. And peel it out. knife will go across this banana and then big dices. Again, I will go for same way. Also ready for second step. I suggest to all my viewers, don't cut bananas and apples before it's come this blackish color. I'll go for this mango. I'll peel this mango. Now it is a COVID-19. Many of people are stuck inside the house and many are home quarantine, but most of them they doesn't know how to cook and how to cut the fresh fruits and vegetable proper way. So I suggest them, please first of all you learn how to cut, then go for kitchen to final cooking. Otherwise it may be big accident. I will take one part of mango. My mango also ready. Almost all fruits is ready for third step. Now I will go for chopping some dry fruits. I have few almonds and cashew nut. I will chop it properly. I will take 2-3 pieces of cashew nut. It also roughly chopped. It not meaning to whatever I am using these dry fruits, whatever you have available in your kitchen, you can use that for this simple homemade recipe, creamy fruit delight. This is for garnishing purpose. Now my sauce is almost completed. Before all fruit is cut down, even dry fruit is also ready. Now I will go for mixing all fruits and sauce together. I am taking out my sauces, whatever I have prepared before. It is lightly cooled down. This is my sauce. I take on clean bowl to put all these fruits one by one. First of all, I will take some pomegranate. Take 50 grams of green grapes. Also, black grapes I have. Red cherry. This is mango. Sweet lime. Finally, I will add red apple. Now this is time for adding sauce. When I will add sauce, don't pressurize too pressure on top of these cut fruits. Otherwise, all natural fruit juices on top on sauce and it's become bitter taste and looks also very bad. Now you can see the looks. This is my final product, Creamy Fruit Delight. I will add some fresh fruits on top of this. I will add some dry fruits for garnishing purpose. I will add some pomegranate on top of this Creamy Fruit Delight and some grapes, some red cherry I have available. Even black grapes also. My Creamy Fruit Delight is completely done. This is looks how creamy fruits comes exactly. It is so tasty, healthy, delicious and delicious also. I will suggest to viewers, please try in your kitchen and enjoy with your family. After finish this recipe, you can keep quite some time inside the refrigerator and this temperature should be 4 to 5 degree. Once it is cooled down, then you use for this further service. Now I am taking out for this this Creamy Fruit Delight to show again. Thank you so much those are watching my video and giving a valuable time with me, and please stay home, be safety, be positivity and connectivity. Namaste.